What's up, guys? It's your boy GoGoMan. I'm back at it again. It's been 4 months since I made a video, and a lot happened in the last 4 months, so I really need to update you guys. As you can see, I haven't brushed my hair in a few days, so that's the first topic of the day. My hair has grown too damn long. Pretty cool. Unbrushed. Yeah. So, okay, I'm fucking moved to a new house. New apartment. Here's the front door behind here. This is where you enter the house. Okay. And when you come in here in the hallway, there's the bathroom. Here's shoes and shit. And then you have a big kitchen. This is where I don't do my dishes, obviously. And this is where I create my food. I have more than one hot plate now, so I can, it takes less time to make good food for, survival. And we have the living room with the Yule grain still up and running. Got the Enrique Iglesias as the star, because he's my rock star, my one true role model. And I can switch the camera, I think. No, I can't. That was a screenshot. I'm sorry. This is not iPhone. I have a Samsung now because it's so much cooler. Got a little a picture here, framed. A dope smoker. Everyone loves dope smoker. So good. I bought this big fucking TV. It's like 55 inches, almost as big as my penis, almost. Let me just put on the lights, the neon. There we go. So it's really aesthetically pleasing. When you sit here, it's like a porno lighting. And in this corner we have Carl's home. It's not that clean and it's dark, so you can't see it because I don't think he wants to show. It's too dirty. But I'm not ashamed. Okay. I finally got a balcony, so I don't have to smoke inside anymore. But I still do it because, I gotta feel at home. And let's go into my room right now. We just were, but now we're here again. Here's my bed. It's the same bed from the last house, and I got a nice big window. Got my setup right here, where my coffee is. And, I was looking through my old videos just now. And just reminded myself that I need to make a new update. So that's what I'm doing. Unfortunately, I don't have any space for all my records that I bought with all my money. So they're just here in boxes for now. Alright, I'm just making this vlog before I take a shit and smoke, ordinary stuff. But I gotta update you guys. So nowadays I study music production and whatnot. Very fun. I learn a lot. And other than that, I sit here, watch YouTube on my big TV, play some Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links on my phone, just to waste some time. I think it's pretty fun. Yeah. I pay for the house with the CSN, like a normal student would do. And life is going fine. And I just kind of need to shite, but I will do that after this video. So I don't know really how to make it on YouTube. I don't know what people want to see. I went on PewDiePie's YouTube, and there was nothing of value there. I don't know why he has so many subscribers. It's really strange. T-series is so much better because they have Indian beautiful music. Pop music and Bollywood music. Who doesn't love that, right? Anyways, I'm gonna try to make it on YouTube, make some nice gameplay and nice vlogs and whatever you guys want to see. I can do any video. I can do the super cool walk around outside and vlog videos, I guess. But I'd rather just do some gameplay with my friends on Discord or whatnot. I wish I could record when I play Nazi Zombies, because that's That's the funniest shit. But you know, I can do it on my computer, but on my PlayStation I need some kind of capture card, and I can't afford that, and I don't want to pay for it either, so I guess not. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little new house tour and little update video that I do every couple months. And I hope you guys check in for the next video. And bye. Have a nice day.